Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Epic Games gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.epicgames.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Epic Games account by entering its credentials. And once you're inside, mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and you'll be able to see an expanded menu. Click the redeem code option and enter your redemption code in the text box on the next page. Once you enter your gift card number in the text box, click on the exchange button. Go ahead and enter your gift code number or the product code number in the text box and click the exchange button. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to redeem your gift card for Epic Games. That is how you'll be able to redeem your Epic Games gift card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.